Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest. It's not available on your country. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest, it's not available on your country, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest. Then in this page, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will click storage. Here in this page, you click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.